I can. I will. I must. Let's go. Welcome acts of kindness changemaker. Ask questions. Want to share a thought or take part in a challenge? How about monthly coaching calls? It's all here. This is the perfect place if you want to hang out with other AI Change Crusader members, participate in scoring challenges, join Q&A coaching calls, and ask any questions you may have. I can. I will. I must. Let's go. Adriane Mays and Enika Gaines being the change. Watch this video below first to become familiar with how things are laid out. Have you ever imagined a community where business meets compassion? Where innovation intertwines with acts of kindness? And where you're not just building a brand but a legacy? Let me introduce you to the Monetize Your Unique Why. Own it, design your reality acts of kindness small business community. Here's why you should be a part of it. Circles. You'll see a variety of topics for discussion to your left. Our community focuses on 5 pillars: faith, family, fears, finance, and fitness. You'll also get tips on finances and updates on AI. Feel free to share any questions or thoughts related to these topics in the circle on the left. Meetups. Here, you will find scheduled meetings, events, or webinars to attend. This includes the Birthday Bonanza September 6, 2023 at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Weekly Q&A coaching calls, Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time starting 9/13. Weekly Acts of Kindness Business Showcase, Tuesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Weekly Kajabi Q&A Help Workshops, Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Mark your attendance in advance, post your questions in the Kajabi circles, and bring along any questions you might have for live responses. No worries if you cannot attend the live sessions, events will be recorded in Kajabi. What's new? Here, we broadcast all our updates and hold our engaging challenges. We highly encourage your participation. Introduce yourself or take part in our image, video-based challenges. Submit your Acts of Kindness challenge. We invite you to share a piece of your world with us. We're here to applaud your efforts and provide consistent support throughout your journey. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to tag Adriane or anyone else with the @ in your post. Thank you again, and please enjoy your time in the community. Keycap 1 Acts of Kindness Birthday Bonanza. Mark your calendars for the Acts of Kindness Birthday Bonanza on 9/6. Introduce yourself, participate in engaging challenges, and get a chance to climb the leaderboard. Not just that, winning means bagging some truly exciting rewards. Keycap 2 Regular Acts of Kindness Challenges. Be a beacon of positivity. By participating in our regular Acts of Kindness challenges, you don't just spread goodwill but also get to win outstanding rewards. It's a win-win for your heart and your brand. Keycap 3 Compassionate Branding. Let the world see your compassionate side. This community is an avenue to build a powerful online presence while making a genuine impact on lives. Remember, a good deed goes a long way, especially in the digital world. Keycap 4 Harness the Power of AI. Artificial intelligence isn't just the future, it's the now. Get exclusive insights, access to webinars, and expert guidance on leveraging AI in every sphere of your life. Whether it's streamlining business processes or elevating customer experiences, be at the forefront of this AI chat GPT revolution. 24/7 Virtual Friend. Meet your new best friend, our virtual guide, available 24/7. Say goodbye to excuses when it comes to learning or improving your skills. Whether it's late-night doubts or early morning inspirations, your virtual friend is here to assist and motivate. Call to action. Embark on a transformative journey, blending entrepreneurial aspirations with heartwarming acts of kindness. Together, let's design a reality that matters. I can. I will. I must. Let's go. Thanks for watching.